All right, it's my weekly tool time video about my tools I have in my toolbox, tool chest, tool kit that I've used for the last 13 months. This is video number 25. Yay me. So my tool for this week, this is Amanda Bridges. I've been sharing my journey of what's happened in the 13 months ago. And so what I've been sharing this year is are my tools that are important to me in my life that I've used. And if you've been watching my videos, you know what I'm referring to. So this week's tools, I have 3 of them. It's my front yard, my side yard, and my backyard at my house. Not everybody has a yard. I have, 4 yards, and then I have an open field, and then I have a little strip that I can walk around. So when I take my dog Ruby out for her, a few times a day to go to the bathroom outside, I just love walking in my yard. And thank you, Lord, I have my yard. And thank you that I have had my yard. Let's see, I've been on this property for 35 years. And it's meant a lot to me for 35 years. And now it means even more to me because of how precious life is. And so that's my tool for this week. Pretty short, sweet, and to the point. I walk around in my front yard, and then I walk to the side yard, and then I walk to the backyard, and then I walk to the other yard, the other side yard, and I just love walking around with my dog Ruby. And so, okie dokie, that's my tool for this week, and tool number 25. So I appreciate everybody who has watched these videos, and thank you for who's watching now. And that was pretty quick, fast, and in a hurry, because don't have to explain too much about a yard. But I've got lots of them here at my house. So thank you so much. All right. Have a great rest of your week. And thank you for watching, Diamond. Yay. I just mentioned you. Okay. See you. Bye. Kissy face, everybody. Bye.